With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question says that find the number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of area 1.54 meter square in rolling a distance of 176 meter. Now we know that the wheel is revolving, then the distance covered by the wheel is equal to, because in one revolution the wheel will cover its circumference. So when the wheel suppose covers 10 revolutions, then to find the distance what we are going to do is we are going to multiply number of revolutions, that is 10, to the circumference to find out the distance covered. Therefore in general, if we find out the distance covered by wheel, it will be equal to number of revolution. Let us denote the number of revolution by n multiplied by circumference of the wheel. So now we have the distance 176 meter and number of revolutions is what we are supposed to find out, but we don't know the circumference of the wheel. To find out the circumference of the wheel, we need the radius of the wheel, and to find the radius of the wheel, we are going to use the area that has been given. Area of the wheel is 1.54 meter square. This is what we are given. So area of the wheel is equals to 1.54 meter square. Now we know that area of a circle, or because the wheel is circular, so area of circle is pi, radius square is equals to 1.54. Now putting in the values, we will get, let's put pi is equals to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r square is equals to 1.54. On solving it further, we will get r square is equals to 1.54 multiplied by 7 divided by 22, which will give us, this will 20 divided by 7 is 154. There are two digits after decimal point, so we can divide it by 100 to make it, to equalize it. So we will have r square is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 10, which will give us r is equal to 7 divided by 10, because it will be square root and 7 and 10 are forming a pair, so we will have 7 divided by 10 meter. This is the radius of the circular wheel. Now find out the circumference of the wheel. So circumference of the wheel will be equal to 2 pi r, which will be equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7 divided by 10. This will get cancelled out and we will be left with 22 divided by 5 meter. This is the circumference of the wheel. Now let's find out the distance. So distance will be equal to, not distance but number of revolutions. So we are going to put in the values in the equation that has been written in the topmost. The distance is equal to n multiplied by circumference of wheel. Distance is equal to 176 meter. So 176 meter is equal to number of revolutions multiplied by 22 divided by 5. N will be equal to 176 multiplied by 5 divided by 22, which will give us n is equals to 40 revolutions. So the wheel will take 40 revolutions to cover the distance of 176 meter. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.